Arnaud.
Thank you, Geraldine. Hi, everyone. So let's talk safety, if you will. Safety in general aviation, little birds. So we're here with bigger birds, and we all know that bigger birds are at the highest standards of safety. Question being, what's the difference between the two? So if we run the statistics of fatalities, we pretty much can say that this is 100 times deadlier general aviation versus commercial aviation. It has been accepted, this status quo, for over 30 years, but right now it's coming to an end because the aviations cannot be comparable, and they become comparable as we speak. Right now, you have a densification of mid to low air altitudes with these flying objects, these recreational drones, and there will be the game changer, which is urban air mobility. So things are rather radically different. Many different prototypes, concepts develop as we speak, and everyone here asks the questions, who will be the winner? For us, the winner will be the bridger between general aviation and UAM. And this is why SAFETYN is working right now in understanding exactly what happens in general aviation, assisting pilots in having a better understanding of their situational safety awareness, their human factor, and understanding the incident taxonomy, because we don't know exactly what's happening into these little birds. By that, we capitalize these flight hours, real flight hours, through data mining, intelligent data mining, that will also be useful for the safety and comfort of the passengers of these UAM flights. Now, let's step back a bit and now put yourself in the shoes of the pilot of this aircraft. You're alone in this aircraft. You're flying hardly 15 to 20 hours a year, and you have human factor limits. So inattentional deafness, difficulties to hear alerts. And we run voice of customers over 100 to 150 of these pilots, many different profiles. And we believe there is an opportunity to create a new kind of safety intelligence unit that we will be calling the Safe Box. So we presented a prototype here when we started with BizLab. That was the one, October last year. And we've been improving this box. And we're flight testing it now through different airfields. And here with Airbus ACAT Aero Club, we are also running flight tests and preparing flight tests. So this is it. This is the one we're going to unveil during Paris Air Show 2019. It has to be intelligent, personal, safe, protects the data inside. This is critical. You don't want to be monitored like a big brother is watching you. And it's going to be multifunctional, a Swiss knife, if you will. So in your car, you have emergency call, assistant call, but you don't have this in your cockpit. That can be handful at some time. So it will be one feature. Another one will be post-flight analysis, rewinding your flight from a safety angle, looking at how you handle the situation and being coached by somebody to do that. We have sensors, obviously. Cardio made a lot of things. It's in our daily life. Question being, do we use it to understand how stressed we are when there are turbulences? Not yet. Neuro is also very interesting in that respect, and we are following developments there. So, intelligence, we're going to save life by triggering automatically a parachute whenever a pilot is fully incapacitated as a stroke. It's going to be portable, reaching out almost an addressable market of 500,000 pilots in the world and passengers as well. And this is the team, data scientists, Eurago, multiplied by 3 since we're here and growing. Partners, durability, dependability, safety, security, and automotive. And that's it. So we welcome you in terms of shaping the human factor revolution. Thank you for your attention.